How to change passcode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option. Enter the current password of your device. Now here you will see various options. Tap on the change passcode option. Enter your current password again. And now you will be allowed to enter your new password. You can set the new password in default format itself, or if you want, you can change it. To change, tap on the passcode option and select from 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom alphanumeric code, and custom numeric code. I will select 4-digit numeric code here. Enter your new password and verify your new password. For the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset your new passcode if you forget it. With this, you have successfully changed the passcode on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.